Okay everyone, so now we are going to learn this program to make you understand about the pointer. So there we are first of all giving the comment that program to use the pointer. Now hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file for scanf and printf functions. Then hash include conio.h, that is for clear screen and getch functions. Then void means no return type, and program is coming inside. Now char c, so a character variable is declared into the memory, that is c, and we know that the character values comes into the single quote. Okay, so we are saying equal to a, that means the value a is stored inside the character variable. Then we are saying int I, so one more variable I is declared, that is of integer type, and we are saying 100, so the 100 value is stored inside that. Then we are saying float f, so one float type variable is declared f, and let us suppose the value we have taken is 17.25. Then double d, so one d variable of double type, so double d is declared, and let us suppose the value is 19.67. Okay, now we know that once we are declaring the variable c, so the block is there in the memory. Similarly for the I there is block, for the F there is a memory block, and for D there is the memory block. Inside we are having the values. So A is the value, 100 is the value, 17.25 is the value, 19.67 is the value. And we want the address, and we know that the address is always outside. So what is the address here? That we have to find out, means what are the address of these blocks. So what we are doing, we are saying char star ptrc. I have intentionally made c, ptrc means pointer character. Okay, ptrc is any name, you can simply write char star a. So there one more block is there in the memory, and let us suppose that the name is ptrc, and star means it is the pointer variable, and that can only store the address. So inside that we can store the address, and we are saying and c. So what is the address of c? That will be there inside the pointer c. Then int star ptri, so one more block in the memory is reserved, and that is ptri pointer integer, and star signified is the pointer, and I means it is taking the address of I inside that, because pointer can only store the address. And we know that the data variable c can store the value as a, I is storing as the value as 100, f is storing as the values as 17.25, d is storing the values as 19.67. But here we are storing the address. So float star ptrf. So one more block is reserved into memory. Now there is ptr f means pointer to the float is equal to end of f. So the address of f is going inside the pointer variable. Then double star ptrd. So there is one more block created, and there ptrd means pointer to double, and star signified is the pointer variable who can store the address inside that. And from where we are taking the address? We are taking the address to the ptrd. Okay, now we don't know what is the address actually right now, but we are going to display it. So clear screen is for clearing the screen. Then printf we are saying as the heading variable tab space address tab space pointer. So variable address and pointer. Then after that printf new line percentage c, so that will take the value from variable as c. So what is the value of c right now? That is a. So a is printed, then afterward two tab spaces, percentage u will print the address. We are saying address of I, but that should be address of c. The address, let us suppose that 65525, so that address will be displayed here. Afterward the same address is stored inside the pointer c, so same address is displayed. Then coming to the next line, new line percentage d, that is taking the value from I, so the value of I is 100, then 2 times tab space percentage u for the address, so the address is coming from and I means the address of I. Let us suppose that the address of I is 65522, so that address is displayed, and also the same address is into the pointer ptri, so ptri is having the same address. Again printing /n for the new line percentage f, so that is taking the float value from f variable, and the value is 17.25, so that is displayed. Then tab space percent u, so that is taking the address from and f, so the address of f, let us suppose that is 65518, so that is displayed, and also same address is stored into the pointer, so the same address is coming. Then printf for the printing, /n for the new line, lf for the double value, so it is taking the value from d, and let us suppose that the d address, the value of d is 19.67, so this value is printed. Then /t for the new line, /t for the tab space, address of d is given to percentage u, so let us suppose that the address is 65510, so address is displayed. Then pointer address is to percentage u, so same address is displayed there. Get ch for the holding the screen and program is coming out. So that is all about the pointer and how the address is stored.